Dogecoin Doge is a minable coin that is as of now exchanged at $2.24 per unit, with the market capitalization of $30,233,843,321 that makes it a highest level cryptographic money, which is very huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin certainly have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for especially retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for essentially huge institutional financial backers who see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a powerful fence against expansion that takes an extremely weighty cost for the worldwide economy. Thusly, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto for the most part is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, which is genuinely huge. Yet with it comes the need to intently sort of follow the advancements on the expressed market to grasp what is happening and have some feeling representing things to come, which is very critical. This Dogecoin cost expectation model really was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and keep the value band filling in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to diving into the inside and out Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to generally help you to remember the truly fundamental guidelines of digital currency exchanging and venture. So we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its certainly current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our restrictive crypto unpredictability record CVIX. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin really remains at $10.405, and this specific computerized resource stands firm on the eighth foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money, fundamentally positioning amazingly. For actually your data, the positioning of each and every digital money is vigorously dependent on its ongoing business sector capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does. To supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Likewise, to generally get a superior sort of handle of the market circumstance and figure out the overall course of the pattern, or to essentially enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise vital to investigate the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on Walk 30, the cost of Dogecoin remained at $13.91 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 1.4% distinction. When contrasted with the ongoing cost, 7 days prior on Walk 24, the Dogecoin market remained at $461,791 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior on Walk 2, Dogecoin was evaluated at $17.85, which most certainly corresponded with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 76.15% cost move in a huge manner. These figures ought to generally yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost gauge depends on the appearances of CVIX, or so they certainly thought. Yet, to figure out the by and large really capability of Dogecoin, or some other cryptographic money besides, it's essential to consider the cost vacillations as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource. On the off chance that you are certainly acquainted with a securities exchange, you likely generally realize that market capitalization mirrors the market worth of public portions of a given organization incredibly. A similar idea applies to cryptographic money markets. Here, market capitalization addresses the numerical methodology towards deciding the worth of digital currency. For our situation, it's Dogecoin in a significant way. In customary business sectors, market capitalization demonstrates the all-out dollar worth of the organization and permits one to fathom the connection between the size of the organization that gave the stock, which comprises the significant contrast as to digital forms of money, as well as the return capability of that specific stock, and the extent of related gambles in an unpretentious manner. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as an in every way that really matters key marker to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the absolute number of coins that are right now available for use coursing supply by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by basically remains at $2.24, which is genuinely critical. Considering that equation, we generally have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to really be at $30,233,843,321, which legitimizes its place as the eighth coin among those present on the cryptographic money market. Yesterday on Walk 30, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $30,672,584,775. Keep going weak on Walk 24. The aggregate sum of capital committed to Dogecoin in a real sense was laid out at $23,231,720,778. The information from a month prior and rolled on Walk 2 especially shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $16,790,069.13 in an unobtrusive manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that explicitly have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' cool wallets, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been singed put unavailable for general use to keep a sound expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. It can in every practical sense be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that is public on the securities exchange in a sort of significant manner. The by and large complete stock of Dogecoin presently truly remains at 143,693,706,384 Doge amazingly. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply is the most generally involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, or so they truly thought. It compares with the best guess of the general number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity. Their volume doesn't explicitly incorporate the coins that are vested, marked in savvy contracts, secured in advanced wallets, or put unavailable for general use. The flowing inventory is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange in an unobtrusive way. At this moment, the flowing stockpile of Dogecoin is assessed at 143,693,706,384 Doge, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market added up to $269,117,564 amazingly. Yesterday on Walk 30, the very normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting really added up to $3,493,454,859. 7 days prior on Walk 24, the power of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $2,911,975,896 incredibly. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can generally assist you with evaluating for yourselves the current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost. Heading in the ongoing bearing or making an inversion, or so they for the most part thought. As currently referenced, the crypto unpredictability file CVIX is our essential instrument for making the most reliable expectations with respect to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time. It especially was made by the in-house group of designers and market experts, and especially was utilized